key concept in data observability is the SLA, or Service Level Agreement. With SLAs, you can use proactive and regular alerts that fire when an SLA is breached to help ensure the timeliness and freshness of the data your Airflow pipelines deliver. In this video, we'll show how to set up a timeliness SLA on Astro Observe. Timeliness SLAs evaluate when your data is delivered. If your team is responsible for a data product that must be delivered on a regular cadence, a timeliness SLA will help you ensure that data arrives on time. In Astro Observe, once you have your data product set up, it is easy to create a timeliness SLA. Click on the Overview tab of your data product and then click on Add SLA. Define your SLA by giving it a name and description. Choose the timeliness SLA type. Select the days of the week your report must be generated on and choose a verification time that gives you enough time to respond to any issues before the report is due. Finally, choose a lookback period equal to the amount of time you expect between reports. Then, create your SLA. Now you can review the status of your SLAs and see analytics on how your data product is doing over time.